Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change taskbar size on our Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type registry editor. Open it guys. Click yes. Now in registry you just want to go to H key current user folder and software folder, expand it and expand the Microsoft and expand the Windows folder, search for it, Windows, expand it and expand the current version and search for Explorer. You just want to click on it, expand it and select the advanced. Now you just want to check my video file path location guys. I will zoom in my video, just need to check it. After checking it, right side on blank area you just want to create a value guys. Before that, you having it or you just need to check it. Taskbar si, I don't having it guys. You just want to right click on the blank area and select new, select DWORD 32-bit value, name this value taskbar taskbar, s capital letter si, t capital letter taskbar si, s capital letter. Press enter after typing it and double click on it. So if you want a small taskbar size, you just want to type here 0 guys. So if you want default taskbar size in Windows, you just want to type here 1. If you want large taskbar size, you just want to set it to 2, value data to 2 and click OK. This video I will going to show you guys the large taskbar size. For that I'm type the value data to 2, select OK. After that you just want to go back. For changes take effect, you just want to restart your PC guys. Close out of here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can able to see it guys. Wait for it. Now you can able to see the taskbar size has been increased guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.